Assalamualaikum my viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to download and install MongoDB Shell in Windows 11. So first of all we have to go to our browsing site. We have to write MongoDB. See, we can see the site MongoDB Shell download. Before we have download MongoDB only for using from the CMD mode. Before that we can see easily. First we can download and install in our Windows 11 MongoDB Compass. Here we can see clearly. Then if we run or playing from the CMD mode or command prompt, then if we write Mongo, see, it will not work. Again MongoDB, also it will not work. So if we wanna work from this side or from this command prompt, so we have to install the MongoDB shell. We install because of connection to the MongoDB database. Let's download MongoDB shell. We download the latest version 2.1.1 Windows 64 as before we download it. It's not zip file, we will download it the M.Sc download. See, it's done. So after completing the download, then go to the file, then copy, then go to the Mongo file where I have installed, programs file, here the MongoDB, then here paste, continue. See, it's the paste. Then in this file we will selecting the path, then we'll go to the path. Before that we have to copy the path location, copy the path, then go to the edit the environment system variables where we can settings the path environment variables. Then we have to search the path, edit, new, okay, done. Then show DBS. See, before I created the database, here we can see easily. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.